VTI Instruments was fortunate enough to be introduced to a large white goods customer who built and tested refrigerators. They needed to be able to maintain high accuracy, but they also wanted to improve or decrease their test time so that they could improve throughput. VTI was fortunate enough to be able to demonstrate and show them the capabilities of the EX1401. This product is a 16-channel data acquisition box that uses mini TC connectors, but it also uses a cold junction per channel and achieves very high accuracy. With this solution, this customer was able to meet the requirements that they needed for accuracy without using an external ice point, and they were able to achieve the data acquisition sampling speeds that they needed to improve their test throughput times. VTI Instruments is very proud to be able to partner with our customers to deliver high-quality solutions that meet their needs and be able to improve the products that they manufacture and sell.